Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to fix audio issues in Zoom. Here you go, I got Zoom loaded up here. Hello. Oh, that looks terrible. So first, make sure you don't have a red X in it right there. If you have a red X in it, click the little button right there, and it should work. If you don't see any green when you talk, then you're not getting any input. Make sure that your microphone right here is selected to the right one. I have only one microphone, which is my headset right now. So I'm going to select that, and you can see I have a green bar. If you don't have that, go over to audio settings, and then click on your microphone. Make sure that's selected. If you don't see a blue bar when you talk, that's a bad sign. Click on test mic, and I'm going to test. You can hear that. Let me go ahead and switch my audio over to my speakers so you can hear my audio. There you go. Make sure the suppress background noise is on auto. And everything else is like that. If you're still not getting any audio, then close that out. Go over to your system settings by clicking the Windows key on the keyboard and going over to the little settings button right here. Now go over to System. Go over to Sound. Now find the input and click on Troubleshoot. Hold on. Find Sound Control Panel, then click on that. This little window will come up. Go over to the Recording tab. Click that. Then right-click your microphone. Click on Properties. Go over to Advanced. And make sure Audio Enhancements is turned off. I'm going to turn it on because it works just fine. If that doesn't work, make sure the microphone boost is at 10 and the microphone is at the max. And click OK. If you're still not getting anything, well, go over to Troubleshoot now, or Discord. So you get this, and then click yes. It's gonna get ready to play a sound, but I don't need to do that. Yeah, just play the sound. You could probably hear that. You can. Ow. Yeah. And make sure you allow Zoom, speakers, microphone, yeah. And then go over to Home. Then go over to Apps. No, it's not Apps. Privacy. And then scroll down to Microphone. And then just make sure Allow Apps to Access Your Microphone is on. And then you can find Zoom somewhere. Right there. Oh, and make sure this is also checked right here. If that doesn't help, try uninstalling and reinstalling Zoom. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope this fixed your problem. So yeah, peace out, guys.